Welcome to our channel 2K Kid Tech Time. Today's Chrome extension update, Tab Suspender. This extension detects inactive, idle, or forgotten tabs and suspends them, freeing up to 80% of available memory, device resources, and battery life. If you frequently use multiple open tabs, this extension will assist you by automatically accelerating your browser and purging the memory. You can also enable the Auto Close Tabs function, which closes unused tabs and keeps track of the number of tabs at the selected level. If Tab Suspender has stopped working, to try to reset Tab Suspender settings, go to Tab Suspender menu, then select Settings. Reset settings. First setting can close the inactive tabs. You can change the time as shown. Next, there are few more settings such as don't suspend this site and tab. In Suspend, you can select either tab, window, or both. The Tab Manager shows about the tab sessions. You can view history. You can pause the suspender for a specified time. Next one, very useful hotkeys setting. In this, you can set your hotkey for shortcut. I used ATL+X to open Session Buddy. You can set all these in tab setting page also. Now I'm reducing the limited number of tabs to open. You can see the inactive tabs are closing. By adding the pages in whitelist, you can avoid the suspension of the specific websites. The suspended page looks like this. If you like this, click like. Subscribe the channel for updates.